I would just like to say, before the video starts, it's way funnier in in about 1.5 speed. So you should fix that. Thank you.
So I'm gonna have a little dinner with Santa. What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? I don't remember the voice I did for him. So that's just what he's gonna sound like. Fortunately, 2 jobs means twice as many legal required breaks. I'm going to Grillby's. Oh, wanna come? Obviously, sir. I would love to go to Grillby's with you. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Oh, over here, I know a shortcut. That was a really fast shortcut. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Hey, Sans. Oh, hey, Sans. Raging Sans.
Hey, Sansy.
Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah. I hadn't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of a brunch. Here, get comfy. Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on the seats. Anyways, let's order. What do you want? Alright, I'm gonna ask old Google again. Heads, we're doing that burger. Tails is fries. Heads or tails? Heads. Oh my god, this man, he always loves picking head. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Grillby, we'll have a double order. A double order with burger. Why you say it like that? So, what do you think of my brother? He's pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie. Of course he's cool. He'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. He'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. I don't wash mine, because I'm dirty. And by that, I mean he wears it in the shower. That's a little weird. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Nah, I'm good. I don't trust it. More for me. It's kinda good. Anyways, cool or not, you have to agree, Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the royal guard. One day, he went to the house of the head of the royal guard, and he begged her to let him in. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give his way. I don't know what I said. that was terrible. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Of course I have. So you know all about it. The echo flower. And all over this marsh. Say something to them and they'll repeat it over and over. about it. Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Oh, weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye on, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from my work for that long. Oh, by the way, I broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just $10,000. Looks like we're running out of here. But I got you, don't worry. Oh, my God. Just kidding. Groby, put it on my tab. So he really got banked like that. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Really helpful. Let me take a little sip of this. What is this? That Powerade orange. It almost came out my nose. Let's go have that date with Papyrus. Oh, echo flowers. I'm walking right through them. All right. Oh, Papyrus. Let me talk to you for. Oh. So you came back to have a date with me. You must really be serious about this. I have to take you somewhere really special. A place I'd like to spend a lot of time. Where are we going? Wow, it's my house. It's almost like we were just here. Ooh, he got... Oh, why is he running at me like that? This is my brother's pet rock. He's always As usual, I have to take responsibility. The rock is covered in sprinkles. Well, what's it got to eat, though? Interested in my food? What is wrong with... Cannot read to save my life. Interested in my food museum? Please. Per I. My culinary art show. Half of the fridge is filled with containers all labeled spaghetti. The other half contains nothing but an empty bag of chips. In the fridge? Okay. Impressed. I increased the height of my sink. Now I can fit more bones under it. Take a look-see. It's a dog! What? Catch that meddling canine. Curses. Oh, why is he here? Sans, stop plaguing my life with... Stop plaguing... I need to stop. It's a dirty sock with a series of notes on it. Sans, please pick up your socks. Okay. Don't put it back down. Move it. Okay. You moved it 2 inches. Move it to your room. Okay. And don't break it back. Okay. It's still here. Didn't you just say not to bring it back to my room? Forget it. Oh, it's my favorite game show. It says, stay tuned for new program, MTT. What? It's usually better than this. This is just a bad episode. Don't judge me. Oh, I'm judging. It's a joke book. Take a look inside. Of course. Inside the joke book was a quantum physics book. You look inside. Inside the quantum physics book was another joke book. You look inside. There's another quantum physics book. You decide to stop. Welcome to Scenic. That's Scenic, right? Am I tweaking? Welcome to Scenic. I'm skipping all that. Let's go to this room. That's my room. If you finish looking around, we could go in and do whatever people do when they date. Go inside? Of course I'm going inside. You got the thing going on right now. That's my bed. If I ever get to the surface, I'd like to drive down a long highway. Wind in my hair, sun on my skin. Of course, that's just a dream. So, instead, I cruise while I snooze. Ah, yes, action figures. A great reference for the theatrical battle scenarios. How do I have so many? Well, let's just... That's right. Santa! Isn't that a flag? Oh. And Dine found it at the bay. I think it's from the human world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would a human flag have a cool skeleton on it? Clock it, twin, clock it. Well, I have a theory. I think humans must have descended from skeletons. Yes. Let's look at that search history, buddy. The internet. I'm quite popular there. I'm just a dozen away from a double-digit follower count. Of course, fame has a steep price. A jealous troll has besieged me. That's not what that is. Always spin. I'm skipping it. What's in your closet? There are no skeletons inside my closet. Except me, sometimes. Look inside the closet. Why not? Clothes are hung up neatly inside. Oh, that's it? I don't believe you. Okay, I'll believe you. So, if you've seen everything, you want to start the date? Why not? Okay, dating start. No! Dating start. Here we are, on our date. I've actually, never done this before. But don't worry, you can't spell prepared without several letters from my name. That's me. I snagged an official dating rule book from the library. I didn't pay for it, of course, because I'm broke. We're ready. Let me. Step 1. Press your controller's triangle button. Alright. It's Thursday. Is it actually? It's Thursday. Wowie, I feel so informed. I think we're ready for step 2.
Ooh.
Ask him on a date. Human, I, the great papyrus, will go on a date with you.
Of course. I would love to go on a date with you.
Really? Wowie. I guess that means it's time for part 3. Step 3. Put on nice clothes to show that you care. Wait a second, wear clothing. That bandage hanging off of you. You're wearing clothing right now.
I sure hope so.
Not only that, earlier that day, you were also wearing clothing. No, I couldn't be.
You wanted to date me from the very beginning. Of course. Of course I would.
You're so charming. No, you've planned it all along.
You're way better at dating than I am.
No, your dating power. It's over 9,000. Nah. Don't think you've bested me yet. I, the great papyrus, have never been beaten on a date, and I never will. I can easily keep up with you, you know. You see, I too can wear clothing. In fact, I always wear my special clothing underneath my regular clothes. Just in case somebody happens to ask me on a date. Behold!
He got that fit on though.
Nah, what do you think of my secret style? No, a great genius compliment. My back. However, you don't truly understand the hidden power of this outfit. Therefore, what you just said is invalid. This date won't escalate any further unless you find my...
You want to listen to him snore?
But that won't happen.
Let's inspect his sneakers.
Human souls are stronger than monster souls, but the souls on our shoes, on the other hand, are about the same.
Let's check under that big old forehead of yours.
My hat. My hat. My hat. Oh, well then.
Show you that. Thanks for speaking to me.
I suppose I have no choice.
You've been up to it, yeah. I've been dancing in my room, swaying my